Hello everyone! Today I will be showing you how to install a Windows 7 on your computer through a simulation using Virtualbox Manager. Let's start.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, you got that one. Yeah, you killed that one. You should do that one. Do that one like all the time.
For the initial part of the installation, all you have to do is follow the instructions shown on the screen.
Get yourself some designer shoes. Ain't nothing over here but rich ass hell.
Now, the first window that will pop up will prompt you to choose a language, time and currency format, and the keyboard or input method. Since we are in the Philippines, I will be choosing English for the Republic of the Philippines. Now, click install now. Then after that, all you have to do is wait until the next window or prompt will show up. After this window shows up, all to do is accept the license terms. Then click next. Choose the custom option to format the computer and its contents. Now after you see these partitions, all you have to do is press drive options advanced and delete all of the partitions.
Did I ask you for advice? Because I probably wait till I'm on my like ninth divorce. Then your advice will come in really handy. Good to know
Now, the next step is to create a new partition. The first partition that you will have to do falls between 60 to 70% of the size that you need for the primary partition of the total space of the hard disk. I will be using 23 gigabytes. And for the second partition, we will be taking the leftover gigabyte from the gigabyte that you haven't taken. Okay. After choosing the partitions, click return to the total space and then click next. Now, all you have to do is wait for these processes to finish, which will take a while. We're currently at 99% and more percent. There we go. Okay, after this shows up, don't panic. The computer will restart, and if it prompts you to press any key to boot, don't do it. Don't press any key. Let it pass. Just wait. There we go. After it restarts, this will show up, but you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is wait. Just keep waiting until it prompts you to do something.
So my daughter, you know shit all the time. You know, you're really cool. But she comes clean. She always tells the truth. And she realizes it feels good. Feels good to her, feels good to me. And she just has a very clear in the air between people. It cleanses some shit, you know? It's like just yells and
All you have to do is wait until it completes the installation until the next prompt.
Siguro papatay na ako ng mga ano na.
There we go. This is the next prompt. You will be typing your username and the computer name. There. Now I've typed my name. Now click next. And then you can type in a password or not, your choice, whatever. Then you can type your product feed, but since this is a simulation, you don't need that. You can skip that. Now these options, the updates can be done later and the settings can be changed later, so you can ask me later. Now to configure your time zone and location. Our location is Pacific Time, US and Canada. Now, click next. You can choose your computer's location. My location right now is at home, so you can choose this. Now all you have to do is wait until it finishes.
One pop died here or two?
Now, after all that is finished, congratulations, you have now installed a new Windows 7 Ultimate operating system on your computer. Thank you for watching and God bless you and bye.